Hello kids, welcome to my another video. Today we are learning about article a and n. Usually a are using a consonant sound and n are using a vowel sound like a, e, I, o, u. So let's start it. In orange, in orange. Igloo, in igloo, in igloo. In apple, in apple. A giraffe, a giraffe. In umbrella, in umbrella. A banana, a banana. A rabbit, a rabbit. An uncle, an uncle. A bus, a bus. A flower, a flower. An university, an university. An ear, an ear. A desk, a desk. A bear, a bear. An elephant, an elephant. A ring, a ring. A sheep, a sheep. An arm, an arm. A lemon, a lemon. A farmer, a farmer. An egg, an egg. An eye, an eye. Thank you so much kids for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe please. Again, thank you so much.